I'm not a big lover of pork, but I try to eat it to keep a sustainable diet through the week. So this recipe is from Moira. I've made one of Moira's recipes before, and this is pork with chili and coconut. Now I'm going to marinate my meat overnight. So the recipe's a little bit, obviously I've adapted it like I always do. So we've got some chili, lazy chili, ginger, garlic, and curry powder. The recipe asks for mild curry powder, but I've got hot curry powder. Put that in. So I'm going to give that a good old mix. So once I've mixed it all up, I'm going to put the lid on, pop it in the fridge overnight, and I'll cook it up tomorrow. My pork that's been marinated overnight, I've just browned off in the pan on a high heat. And my jug that it's been marinated in, I put a bit of water in so that I can get all the juice. So to my pork, I'm going to add spring onions. Bunch of spring onions. Mix that up. Shame we don't have smelly vision. Smells delicious. I've got a pepper. I'll give you the recipe for this because this is a nice recipe. Stir fry all that up. So I've got my juice. Got as much as I can out. Put that in. I've got a tin of chopped tomatoes, if you can get hold of any. Put that in. And then I've got a 2-ounce sachet of creamed coconut. Now you can buy these, you probably get 4 in a little box, all done. If you put it in some hot water to soften, and then you can just empty it out into your dish and give it a good old mix up. I'm going to serve this up with boiled rice. We do eat a lot of rice in this house. I don't really like potatoes and chips. Very strange, I know. And I hate them with salt and vinegar on, even more. So that's all mixed up. I'm going to cover this and leave it for about 15 minutes. Delicious. So here we have pork with chili and coconut. And I'm serving it with boiled rice. Delicious. And don't forget, any leftovers, got my tin, and pop it in the freezer. Enjoy that.